About these it might complete a SEWAGE grinder system with SEWAGE basin easy to install and include a 6-inch heavy-duty polyethylene basin with top and butt. Grinder pump recommended for residential sewage pump applications reduces clogging of impeller around jamming situations pump capacity maximum. About these it might complete a SEWAGE grinder system with SEWAGE basin easy to install and include a 6-inch heavy-duty polyethylene basin with top and butt. Grinder pump recommended for residential sewage pump applications reduces clogging of impeller around jamming situations pump capacity maximum. About these it might complete a SEWAGE grinder system with SEWAGE basin easy to install and include a 6-inch heavy-duty polyethylene basin with top and butt. Grinder pump recommended for residential sewage pump applications reduces clogging of impeller around jamming situations pump capacity maximum. About these it might complete a SEWAGE grinder system with SEWAGE basin easy to install and include a 6-inch heavy-duty polyethylene basin with top and butt. Grinder pump recommended for residential